can get free Trailblazer hoodies and also some cash vouchers. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. Today I am with one more video where you can get a free hoodies and also some cash rewards worth $100 and $200. This is the event that called Seize the Trail. So what is in this and how to complete it, I am going to show you in this video. But firstly, how to play. You need to earn some badges. Total 5 badges are there for 5 entries. If you earn any one badge, you get an entry. Maximum 5 entries are possible through 5 badges. So firstly, there is a deadline of 31st of January. So you need to complete all these badges before that. For participating in this, you need to create your account. You can create your account through, if you have a Salesforce account, then you can continue with that, or you can choose Google, LinkedIn or other social media platforms whose options are available here. Firstly, you need to complete your profile through your name, and after that there is an URL. You can edit that URL also. After that there is a need of company name and job title. But this is not only for the job profiles, job professionals, this is also for student, because in the role name student is also available. So just put your, in the company name, your college name, and also in the job title developer or anything you also can put student there. And after that here you can choose that I am showing, if you are from India you can choose India, and after that your state. So after completing this, after completing your profile, just tap on done, and after that there is an option of recovery email. Just skip it for now, skip for now, just tap, and after that you get this. So now I am going to show you my profile. Here is my profile. My profile is created and I am going to start this. Only watch this full video. You can get all the steps which is required for this Salesforce event and for getting the hoodie and cash vouchers. So be with me in this full video. So firstly, we created account, we see our profile, and also how to play we know. So just tap on mark as complete at the how to play option. So there is an option of mark to complete, mark as complete. When you tap on this, it shows that you completed that, and after that more ways to win. I already have mentioned all the ways through which you can win the hoodies and cash vouchers. So after that there is a module also, and also the official rules. So you also wants to know what is the eligibility criteria for this. So now I am going to jump on the official rules. So you can see here in the eligibility it is written the participant will be more than 18 years old, and also only 50 countries are allowed to participate in this. And you can see all the names. India is also included, US is included, Switzerland, Japan and many other countries are included. And if you are from Japan, then the minimum age is 20 plus. So for India it is 18 plus. So now after that, entry method I already mentioned, winner selection and notification. Winner will be selected after 7 days when you complete this. So you will be contacted after 7th of the February. Next is price and price value. You all need to know what are the prices. So I already mentioned there are hoodies and also cash vouchers. Total 150 hoodies are there, and also $100 cash vouchers are there, and $200 cash vouchers are there. So this is all about rules and regulations. So you can get 5 entries. So there is a more probability. If you get only one entry, then there is a less probability to get this hoodies and cash vouchers. So how to get 5 entries I am going to show you in this video. So after completing all this, you can see here there is an option of Trailhead Navigation Quick Look. When you tap on that, you can see here when you tap on this heading you find this. And now move forward by tapping this button, and here you can get this tab. And in this tab, this is a module first where when you complete this you got
now that you know a little about Trailhead, it's time to navigate all the
after
awesome.
Listening this 1 minute video, you can answer the quizzes in the below and you can get 100 points. If you take second attempt, then you get only 50 points, and if you take third attempt, then you only get 25 points. But here you can see both the answers of the first quiz, and I get total 100 points, and my first batch is completed. Now I jump to the next batch. You can see there is an option of second batch, and here is the second batch. So you can also jump through this on the second batch. But if you want the answers of these quizzes, these badges, modules also, so you need to comment in below so that I can put one more video of all the answers, all the correct answers, so you get total 500 points, which I get. You can see in my profile I completed total 5 badges, and I also get 500 points, means I completed all the quizzes by taking single attempt only. So you can see I have completed total 5 badges, means my 5 entries are confirmed, and also you can see my profile display my badges which I completed. So if you want the answer, please comment and also share with this video with your friends so they also get benefited and get some swag, and please subscribe my channel.